Hello, my name is Aura Pinilla. I am 42 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in Bogota with my husband and my two daughters. Currently, I am studying business administration at UNAT. I am secretary and I work in Universidad Nacional. I like listening to music, reading books. I love eating. My family is composed uh, by my husband and my two daughters. I hope we can a great team. I love the restaurant. Its location is in Suba Avenue with Boyacá Avenue. It's a restaurant typical of Antioquia cuisine and its main course is the bandeja paisa. When we have gone, we have eaten pork rinds with arepa and agua. As an entrance. The main dishes besides the specialty of the house is bandeja paisa, and other dishes are ajiaco, patacón with stew, gratinated brisket, gratinated truth, and other dishes. The drinks are lemonade, brandy, rum, whiskey, beer, and soft drinks. The restaurant has 2 floors, and their chairs and tables are made of wood. The floors are made of wood and on the walls there are say Antioqueños that make use loud. They accompany the table with a singer who plays guitar and sings typical Colombian music. And there is a juke box where there is typical Colombian music. The site is very nice and welcoming. You must pay debit, credit, or cash card. You could celebrate with your family or friends special dates, and you can book with a phone call and you say how many people are going to go, and when you arrive they place you at the table assigned to you. For Thanks and goodbye.